There are a number of studies that are done on cheating, and statistics show that between 20 to 80% of men cheat on their partners during their lifetime, depending on the population studies and the type of study done. And about 10 to 60% of women cheat on their partners, again, depending on the population, during their lifetime. So if you average these statistics, 1/2 of men and about 1/3 of women cheat on their partners. Of course, these statistics may be underinflated because a lot of people are not honest about their infidelity, or they do not define some of their encounters as infidelity per se. So I think the statistics are actually a little bit higher. I think about close to 80% of men and 60% of women engage in some sort of adulterous or cheating behavior during their lifetime. Usually, infidelity statistics are higher for younger people than older people, and much of that is driven by our hormones, testosterone for men and testosterone, estrogen, progesterone for women. There are, of course, other critical times during people's lifetime when they're more likely to engage in infidelity, such as midlife crisis, when children leave home, and other important times in their lives, retirement and so forth. However, it seems like younger people are more predisposed to cheating than older people are.